Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good as well. Thank you for asking. So we are
Mm,
here today because you have recently hit your target on the Ability live account, correct?
yes, correct. I have to withdraw to withdrawal recently.
Mm-hmm. That's
Mm.
that's good. That's very good. So tell us a little bit about yourself. How long have you been trading for? Are you doing that full time? Is it a second source of income for you? What's your story?
Yeah, my story actually as most of the trader as well. So been been around more than 8 years in trading, and for the full time trading is about roughly more than 5 years until now. And um, uh, in the past that I luckily found a very good mentor that guide me through the trading career path. Uh, uh, Saved me a lot of time and
Mm.
just mm, I still use the strategy. Uh, Since then, only one strategy. I found my edge on the market and use it more than 5 years now.
I see. That's good. Okay, so let's do step by step. You say that you have been trading for the past 8 years and that you learned how to trade with a mentor. So you had a mentor. Uh, and you actually mentioned something that is really interesting. It saved you a lot of time because how long have you been profitable for now?
Profitable for around more than 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
and with my small account and as well as the account in AudaCity as well.
I see. Okay, that's good. So you were mentioning your edge. Would you like to share with us your strategy?
Yeah, the strategy is mainly about Bollinger Band and moving average,
Mhm.
and um, so the setup is very simple, but took a lot of time for me to learn it uh, efficiently and trade it with discipline and not not formal in the market. So uh, that's it. That's very simple.
I see. So you trade with the indicators. You mentioned Bollinger Bands and moving
Mm,
averages.
moving average.
Are you more into intraday trading or swing trading?
My mentor once said that he taught me to become a scalper intraday and swing trader. All of the type of trader needed to be repeatable in the market. So you can say I scalper intraday and swing as well. But recently I'm mostly doing daily trade, so I'm a more scalper and intraday trade.
I see. So at this moment, you are mainly focusing on the short term.
Yeah, within 24 hours.
Within
I
20.
do not hold the trade over 24 hours.
Okay, that's fine. And what is that you like to trade?
The gold and GBP USD.
Mm, okay. So major cable and gold. On
Gold.
which pair you
Yes,
feel you have the best performance?
because the strategy applied to almost the major pair and as well as mostly you can say like all of the instrument on the market you can trade with the strategy. So uh, gold will be the hardest pair for me to trade, but I get used to it. So
I see. Okay. Tell me something, Ty. At this moment in time, are you trading full time or is it a second source of income for you?
right now it's full time trade.
Full time, you're trading full time. Are you also still managing your personal funds or you only trade with our ability account?
Uh, right now, for more focusing on the ability account to because I want to scale it
Mm-hmm.
step by step and to maximize the allocation of the account and as well as my income to my profit.
I see. So tell me, how was your journey with the ability challenge so far? When did you actually started the challenge stage?
It's around I remember October last year
Mm-hmm.
till now. Mm.
Okay. And how was it?
And
How long
with
did it
with
take you for each phase?
how long? Yeah, the first phase is around 10 days,
Mm-hmm.
roughly maybe 6 to 10 days, and the second phase is around 5 days.
5 days. So we can say that on average, it took you like a couple of weeks or
Two,
1 week
yeah,
to to meet your
two or
target,
three weeks.
both to
Yeah,
achieve the target in the challenge stage and in the verification stage. How did you find them?
yeah.
Was it easy for you to, navigate those challenges, those 2 stages?
Um, easy. It's not so easy, but when the market treat me well and I'm on the right side, so it 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 took less time to pass the challenge and the verification stage and go into the live account.
Tell me something. Did you make any adjustment to your style, to your strategy, or to your risk approach once you got into the live stage?
Yes, right. Less risk and then more discipline when I enter the live account. So because I want to scale it, so uh, the scaling opportunity, the scaling plan is 2.5% each month. So I try to reach the target, yes, and keep the account stabilized.
Correct, yes. And then your account will be checked on a quarterly basis to see if actually you
Mm,
qualify to scale up. But I think
mm.
that for now we are good. So just one more month, right?
Uh, yeah, one moment. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Tell me something. Was this your first funded account?
No, this is not my funded. This is not my first funded account, but before I tried with the other platform as well, and
Mm-hmm.
have some of them is out of the market, and some of them is still running. So
I see.
this is mm,
But this is the first funded account you have with us, right?
that's right. That's right. Yeah.
That's good. So that's actually really, really impressive because sometimes it happens, especially if you have experience with other firms. Each firm, each company has its own rules when it comes to target levels, drawdown levels. So the first account you had with us, you passed challenge and verification in the space of less than 1 month, basically, and then straight away you went to the live account. So it's actually really good, really, really impressive. Well done, Ty. Well done. Tell me something. How was your experience overall so
Thank you.
far?
my experience overall is with AudaCity is very good. It's actually overwhelming because the support is only help me when I have something like cannot log into the trading account or some technical issue with the account. So they solve it within, I say, 6 hours. So it's very good experience about the customer service. And I found that um, the trading rules is very also good too. So it's not it's not restrict the trader for the way that they trade, and then so that the trader can trade with any uh, like the style. And yeah, the rule is there. I mean, like without which the margin goal strategy, or using the uh, some kind like DCA method. So uh, if you are not using the strategy that, so it's fine. It how will be said.
Okay, that's fine. Guy, what about your biggest struggle you had since you started trading like 8 years ago? What do you think was the hardest thing to achieve as a trader?
Uh, Emotional. So if you have a good strategy and have an edge in the market, but uh, without discipline and the emotional get involved most of the time, so it will uh, stop you from the profitable trading. So most of the time, like uh, I have some rules for
Mm-hmm.
my daily trading, like um, which section that I would trade, and which one is profitable, or which one is hard to trade. So uh, usually I trade London and New York section,
Mm-hmm.
and the Asian I skip. So yeah, but sometimes the emotional will involved, and I I overtrade,
I
and
see.
yeah, I for more trade. So that is very bad. But you know, still improving the the
Emotional side.
emotion. Uh, yeah, that's right.
I see. And do you have some things that you do in case you find yourself in a situation where you recognize that you are not in control of your emotions? So is there something that you do? For example, last week we were talking with another trader
Oh,
of us, and he was like, "From now, I'm starting to learn to just close my laptop and just go for a walk." For example, are you doing anything similar when it comes to that stage?
yeah. So after losing trade for about 3 times,
Mm.
so it's better to stop and close the laptop or close the chat, and I I go to the walking, and like walking in the park or something like that. So
That's
it
good
helped me to
to clear
refresh
your
my
mind.
mind, and then yes, that's right. So to
That's good.
to make no yeah.
What about your biggest achievement as a trader? What do you think was your biggest achievement? Something that when you got there, you were like, okay, now I think I finally got to something that is good, works for me. What your biggest achievement?
Yeah. First of all, to honor my mentor, that he taught me almost everything about trading, and uh, I still want to be like him. So because he can, uh, the the first one is about like no swing trader. So the longest trade that I can hold is around, let's say 1.5 weeks,
Mm-hmm.
and my mentor used to hold a trade within 3 to 6 months, and so it's
That's
it's
almost
a thing that I
investing.
want to achieve.
Definitely position
Yes,
trading.
yes,
Definitely position.
that
I see.
that's right. And try to eliminate the emotional side of me when I'm trading, and stick to my plan. And so days there are only 3 times of the day that I look for a trade to
Mm-hmm.
enter the trade. So if that moment pass, so skip and then wait for another day.
That's
So
good. That's actually
need to be
really, really good.
consistency
Very good. How is your consistency score?
around 60 to 75
Mm,
points, I
that,
can say. Mm.
that's good. That's very good. Okay, Tai, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you very much for this interview and for sharing your story with us. I'm sure we can have an update and we can have another interview as soon as you manage to double your ability account. Okay?
Yes, sure. Thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Keep it up. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.